time for a display of Nagaoka fireworks at Ford Island in Pearl Harbor. These Nagaoka fireworks are being presented in honor of American and Japanese war victims for the pursuit of everlasting peace in the world, and with wishes for the growth of promising youth who will play leading roles in the future. The launching of Nagaoka fireworks in Pearl Harbor is only possible due to the full understanding and support provided by the U.S. Navy and through the collaboration of the sister cities of Honolulu and Nagaoka. Here are messages from the mayors of our two cities prior to the launching of the fireworks.
Good evening and aloha. I'm deeply honored to be here. Tonight is a significant event because the United States Navy, our sister city of Nagaoka, and the city and county of Honolulu have come together to celebrate 70 years of peace since the end of World War II. What better way to celebrate than through a world-class fireworks display? Tonight, all of us are acknowledging our shared responsibility of working together for a more peaceful world. I want to thank the United States Navy for hosting us on historic Ford Island. And I want to thank Mayor Mori and the people of Nagaoka for providing us this spectacular fireworks display. And thanks to all of you for helping spread this important message of peace through our celebration tonight. Good evening and mahalo.
Aloha. I am Tamiya Mori, the mayor of Nagaoka City. The cities of Nagaoka and Honolulu, both having experienced the pain and misery of war, are now united with strong bond based on the pursuit of peace. Our presentation of Nagaoka fireworks here at Pearl Harbor, 70 years after the end of the war, shows the friendship that has developed between Japan and the United States of America and symbolizes peace in the future world. Through the launching of these fireworks, we would like to convey the significance of peace to the children who will play leading roles in the future. I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the U.S. Navy and to the many people who have given their great support to this historic event. Mahalo.
Tonight, 70 years after the end of the Pacific War, we will witness 3 shots of white chrysanthemums, one of which will be presented to the night sky in honor of American war victims, one in honor of Japanese war victims, and one for the pursuit of everlasting peace in the world. We hope that everyone watching the fireworks tonight joins us to pray with these 3 thoughts deeply embedded in their hearts. These fireworks, mainly in red, white, and blue, will be launched in the hopes that the declaration of the Peace Summit, which the children of Honolulu and Nagaoka boldly presented, spreads around the world from Pearl Harbor, and that we will be able to ensure a peaceful future, along with our prayers for a bright future and happiness for our youth. legendary phoenix, which expresses the citizens' wishes to earnestly overcome various hardships caused by the devastation of 2 wars and a succession of disasters. The phoenix-shaped fireworks symbolizes a safe recovery from damage caused by earthquakes. This evening, as a token of appreciation for the overwhelming support of the American people, including Operation Tomodachi, which was conducted in the aftermath of the Great East Japan earthquake, the large shells of the Phoenix fireworks will be launched in full scale to the song Jupiter by Ayaka Hirahara, just as they are displayed in the Nagaoka Grand Fireworks Show.
Every day I listen to my heart.
service, the Peace Friendship Commemorative Ceremony, and the launching of Nagaoka fireworks, all being held here in Pearl Harbor, are only possible due to the full understanding and support provided by the U.S. Navy. In appreciation of their generosity, fireworks in the image of Old Glory will be launched, accompanied by America the Beautiful, which some people consider to be the second U.S. national anthem.
Spacious
Vibrata is one of Hawaii's most loved singers. These 8-inch diameter large fireworks shells will be launched with wishes for the prosperity of the sister cities of Honolulu and Nagaoka while bringing to mind a bridge across the Pacific Ocean. The fireworks will go off at a rather slow tempo in the first half of the display and then close with an abundance of senren, or 1,000 shells, which will explode into a shower of numerous flowers. healthy growth of promising youth who will play leading roles in the future. These brilliant and spectacular fireworks will be accompanied by the magnificent sound of the theme music from Tenchi Jin, a long-running period TV drama that was broadcast in Hawaii featuring parts of Nagaoka in its story. We hope you all enjoyed this dramatic storytelling show that is only possible with artistic, multicolored fireworks created by a combination of pyrotechnics developed in Japan. Display of the Nagaoka fireworks 70 years after the end of the Pacific War. Mahalo to the city of Nagaoka, the city and county of Honolulu, the Honolulu Festival, and the U.S. Navy. And now, back to the music on Hawaiian 105 KINE.